Alright guys, so here I am inside of Target, and it looks like they just put out this little dump bin. I'm gonna dig through it and I'll show you guys what I found. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like they put anything much. I did find these two. So these two I'm going to take home. Let's see, here in the pegs they have this 68 Mustang. Take that one. They have this cool Road Bandit. This is actually pretty cool. I just don't like the deco. I'm not going to bother looking through this because, you know, it's there's nothing good. I could already tell. It's like all the good ones have already been taken. So I'm not gonna spend too much time here. So here they have this one here, RV There Yet, in yellow. So anyways guys, not too much here. Down here they have some of these ID cars. So this twin mill, solid muscle, another twin mill. They have the Motosaurus. We have this Night Burner. Oops. And another solid muscle. So let me put these back. Pick this one up. I drop one. This hauler is actually pretty cool. It's too bad they're not on sale anymore. Otherwise I would have probably taken it. So let's see. Over here on the 5-packs. Looks like they'd put out this cool Lamborghini pack. I already have it, did a review on it. Please check it out. They also put this one out. That white one right there, I think it's a Mustang. It's really cool. It kind of has like a Dodger white and blue deco with a baseball. Pretty cool. Let's see, that El Camino is pretty cool, or the Ranchero is pretty cool. The other ones are fantasy castings. I don't care for those. Let's see, they have this track builder. Don't care for that one. They have the Flames. I already have this one, so I don't need to get another one. This one is pretty new. I've never seen this one before. So as you can see, a bunch of fantasy castings. And here's another new one. This is from the HW Rescue Team. More fantasy castings. And back there's another Lamborghini. Let's see. There's a Corvette over there. And there's the HW Design Lab. Bunch of fantasy castings. And there's another HW Sports Pack. And the X Racers. Pretty cool. Alright guys, let me put these back. I'm not interested in any of these. So let's move on to the other stuff that they have. Let's check out these 9-packs. It's always good to look at these guys because you could get a good glimpse of what's coming in the future cases. So I have that one. There's this one here. This one's pretty cool. I'm really digging that white Dodge Demon. It's pretty cool. There's another one. There's another one. Here's another one. Pretty cool. This one has a Dodge Hornet, a Porsche, that old Ford. And here's this, I'm not sure what kind of car this is, but it's probably a Chevelle or I don't know, probably a Dodge. I'm not too sure guys. We have this one here, pretty cool. This one's actually pretty nice. It's not very often that you know to find a 9-pack with some pretty good looking cars. So this one I might take. I have this one. And here's another one. Pretty cool. Let's see what we have over here. Not bad. Let's check this one out. Not bad. Looks like they're pretty much all the same, with the exception of this one here that I'm definitely going to take. It's very cool. It's got some pretty cool castings, with the exception of those two fantasy cars. So this one's coming home with me. The other ones are staying here. Let me put them back. Put everything back, guys. It's good karma, and again, employees appreciate it when you make their lives easier. Oh, look, I didn't see this one. This one is the HW glow wheels. So these are supposed to glow in the dark, the wheels at least. So pretty cool. Pretty sure the kids would get a kick out of that one. And they have the exotics. I already have this one. Did a review on that. And they have these little flying customs tracks here. Pretty cool. Nothing new as far as premiums. As you can see, it's pretty dry. On the team transport, nothing I already have. They do have these new Batman. These have been out before though, but I don't care for them. So, and then they have the penguin duck. So not bad, you know. Too bad I'm not. I don't really like those. You know, they're kind of big. But, you know, let me bring my cars with me. So here, let me put this Flying Customs where it belongs. So here they have this one. Pretty cool little track builder. And here's another one. And here you have the Mario Kart. It's a 4-pack. Looks like there's no room for it, so I just kind of put it here. So do that. Have more Flying Customs here. Let's see, over here they have this pretty cool color crashers. And there's another one over here. Alright, what do they have over here? They have Fast and Furious Speed Spy Racers. They have some Star Wars, Street Fighter, Overwatch. They have some color shifters here. They have some of the Disney Matchbox. They have some of the Marvel, Black Widow. Here's another one. And another one. This one's pretty cool. The Miles Morales Spider-Man. This one's pretty cool, actually. I might take this one. I really like the deco. Very, very cool. The card itself is also pretty cool. Let's check this one out. Pretty cool. Not that big on Star Wars, but you know, pretty cool castings. We have this one here. Pretty cool. Not that big on Star Wars, but you know, pretty cool castings. We have this one here. We have these. Not bad. Put these back, guys. Let's see what they have. They have some Monster Jam. And they have this one here. This one comes with a nice little crushable car, as you can see. These are all Ninja Turtles. They're all the same from top to bottom. Let's see over here. They have these new Hot Wheels monster trucks. This one's a pretty cool tank. It's the Invader. Let's see. Nothing. Bunch of repeats, peg warmers. Oops, somebody was trying to take something. No, 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 guys, don't do that. Let's see over here. Let's check this one out for a bit. The snake bite is actually pretty cool. Really like the deco, but I'm not taking it. Over here they have the Gorilla Reach Garage Attack. Cool. Here they have the Pit and Launch. Another one. Let's move on. We have the SX Supercross. Pretty cool. Here they have some more Monster Jam. We have some 2-pack monster trucks from Hot Wheels. Here they have the Bigfoot, as you can see, with the snake bite in red. We have this one, HW Safari, and the Wild Streak. Here's another Bigfoot, and they have the Raju and the Komari. Pretty cool Hawaiian theme. And here's another one up here. Alright guys, so it looks like that's pretty much it. Let me put these back and I'll move over I'll move over to the next section and show you what they have. They have this Gravedigger with Grim. It's a pretty cool looking character. And there's another one over here. These are definitely too big. So over here we have a bunch of Monster Jam. Looks like they're pretty much all the same, guys. They have a bunch of repeats, see? Gravedigger, Gravedigger, so it's not even worth showing you what they have. The only different ones is the Toro Loco and the Monster Mutt. They have these 2-packs. Put these back so that you guys can see a little bit better. These actually are color changers, guys. Pretty cool. Over here they have some of these VTech switch and go wannabe transformers. Looks like it becomes some kind of a dinosaur or something. See? Here's another one. There's another one. And another one over there. So, yep. Pretty much same old same, guys. Boom City Racers. Some Matchbox. I already have those. I already did a video on those. I have these Matchbox 5-packs. Pretty much all the same, with the exception of a few. Some Micro Machines. I don't collect, but I'm just showing you guys. And over here, looks like they're already carrying Majorette as well. They have this one here. This is the Porsche. It's pretty cool, actually. Nice little blue color. And they also have this Vintage Deluxe. This is a Ford Mustang Hunter. I know you're gonna like this one. And it looks like they're only $3.99, so not bad. Pretty cool. The scale is kind of big, but it's okay. I mean, if you don't care about the size of the scale, it's not going to be a problem. They also have some Johnny Lightning. Fortunately, I was late, and this is all they have. This is a pretty cool car. Very, very nice. And over here they have some old Fast and Furious from Jada Toys. Avengers. And here's the same Dom's Charger RT that I've been seeing. You know, looks like somebody was trying to take it or something, because you know it's not secure, as you can see. It's loose. It's just rattling in there. Then they have two of these 2017 Ford GTs. There's one. There's another one. And they have those SX Surf Cross bikes. These are new. I've never seen those before. And they have these Tech Deck BMX bikes. Here's some more Fast and Furious. Oh, cool. Check this one out, guys. I'm gonna put this back. I don't care for those. They are very cool castings though, but you know, they're like $5.99. Not bad. Here's another majorette. I didn't see this one. This is a nice little Jeep. So let's see. Here's the McLaren 7205, and here's the Pontiac Firebird. Pretty cool. As you can see, it's got the nice Phoenix on the hood. Very, very cool. Too bad that the scale is too big. I don't really collect these guys, but I do appreciate them. You know, they are pretty cool. You know, they just take up too much real estate, and you know, they're $7 a pop, so I'm trying to keep cost at a minimum. Let's put these back. This one is also really cool. This 1966 Chevy Corvette. Really like the silver, like the white ghost flames on the door. Very cool. Alright guys, and over here they have some of this tech deck that I don't care for. So it looks like they're all pretty much the same. Down here they have some Harley Davidson motorcycles. They have that cool Harley Davidson truck right there. It's pretty cool. And down here they have this cool Lamborghini Murcielago in blue. Very cool. And they have another one in white. Really love this white one right here, guys. Check that out. It's really cool with the red rims. Very nice. And over here they have the Justice League Batman. So this one comes with the Batmobile and the Batman figure. Pretty cool. Let's see here. They have these classic TV series Batmobile and Batman as well. And here they have some pullbacks. Pretty cool. Have these micro machines. So anyways guys, oh, I didn't see this one either. This one's pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. What kind of car is this? Didn't even see it. This is really cool. I really like the decal on this. Check out the Shell sponsor. Very nice. Alright guys, so now you know. If you guys are interested in these majorette or some of these Johnny Lightning, hit your targets. Alright guys, this is all I have for today. Catch you guys in the next video. Later.